Here's my honest take on Pineal Guardian X. If brain fog, scattered focus, and restless nights are an issue, your nighttime neuroprotection may need support, not more caffeine. You want clearer recall, calmer thinking, deeper sleep, and brighter mornings. This formula supports your brain's nightly recovery and natural rhythm. Modern habits stress your headspace. Resilient routines plus targeted support help protect your cognitive foundation. This plant-based, non-GMO drop formula works with your natural melatonin cycle and nighttime cleanup processes, without harsh stimulants or sedatives. It features French maritime pine bark, lion's mane, spirulina, ginkgo, and neem, ingredients known to support circulation, antioxidant defense, and calm focus. This isn't a quick brain buzz. It's inside-out support for nightly restoration, so daytime performance feels smoother, avoiding the wired then tired spiral. Think of your brain like a night crew. When lights dim, cleanup, wiring, and protection switch on. This stack supports those processes for clearer mornings. Use as directed at the same time daily. Pair with darker evenings, dim screens, and a 20-minute wind down for best effect. Consistency is key. Users report calmer nights and sharper mornings. Track your changes, journal focus, bedtime, and sleep metrics. Results vary. Reasonable aims: easier recall, steadier attention, more restorative sleep. Give your routine 4 to 8 weeks and evaluate with simple before/after notes. Sensitive to stimulants? It's stimulant-free. Don't want grogginess? It's designed for gentle support, not for you. The maker offers a money-back guarantee. For safety, buy through the official channel only, sealed bottle, readable lot number, confirmation email. Keep your supply steady to maintain your routine. Ready to support memory, focus, and deeper sleep the smart way? Tap the official link in the description, start tonight, and commit to a calm 30-day run.